Let's crochet a cardigan and see how long it takes. I hope I can make it in 24 hours, but we'll see. I feel like it's a trend right now to crochet a lot of pieces in like a hexagonal shape and to use the granny stitch. So we're going to do that as well, but I wanted to put my own spin on it by making the colorways inspired by the shoreline or like a beach. So we have this color for the sand, and then we're going to do this for the waves, and then this for the water or the ocean. I'm just gonna pray that the colors blend together as much as possible because that would be really helpful. I honestly don't know how long it takes to crochet cardigans because the last time I did one, it was the Harry Styles J.W. Anderson cardigan. I did mine in kind of my own style and made it with a lot of browns and purples, and that one took me a month. So hopefully this does not take me a month because I want this to be uploaded by Friday. I crocheted this hexagon so far and it moved pretty fast, so I'm in a good mood. But now we're going to switch colors and add the white. Probably just like 2 rows or 3 rows of this to maintain the illusion of waves. Basically done with the first side of the cardigan. I don't even know how many hours it took me, probably like 8 hours, but here is the first side. So I already folded it up and it looks like this, and I really think it's really beautiful. It reminds me of the beach for sure. I like it because it's mermaidcore without being costumey, and it really reminds me of the beach every time I look at it. I had a lot of fun making this project because I could multitask while doing it. I watched a lot of shows and like talked with people, and yeah, I think I really like the width too because it's super flowy and wide and has a lot of room for me. It does look really good already, but I might just add 1 or 2 more rows just to keep it a little bit more interesting and a little bit more flowy. After finishing my first side, I went and took a break by going thrifting, and once I returned, I started on my second hexagon while watching Hidden Love. I only watched the first episode, and so if there's anyone who has watched it and has really enjoyed it, please let me know. I worked pretty late into the night yesterday and I stopped crocheting at maybe 3 a.m. or 2 a.m. I don't even remember. So I finished the first sleeve and I'm really happy with the way that it looks. I think it's really beautiful. I also got quite a bit of progress on the second sleeve. It's this big so far, so I only need to do about 3 or 4 more rows. And once I connect everything, the cardigan will basically be done, which makes me very happy. I already got into an outfit that I can wear with the completed piece and tried to do something that was somewhat mermaidcore, so I'm excited for that. And I should be done, or I want to be done. I want to be done by 6:30. It's about 5:15 or so, so I really need to get to work so that I can show you the final product before the sun sets. So this is the first sleeve. I'm really loving the look. It's not as long as I was wanting it to be, but I don't have enough yarn right now for it. So this is where we're going to have to stop. Now I just need to sew up the second sleeve and connect it to this one, and then I'll be showing you the final look. Thank you all for being such good listeners, and please like and subscribe if you've enjoyed this video.